If CRD in poultry bed is not treated right, many other diseases will affect your beds. Just like coccidiosis, CRD is one other very stubborn disease in poultry that is very difficult to eradicate. If you are using synthetic drugs, maybe tylosin or any other drugs, they hardly clear it completely. Rather, they just suppress it, and after some days or weeks, you see the symptoms again. The first secret tip I want to share with you is that if your birds are sick of CRD consistently, then try changing the source of your birds or the hatchery. There are more helpful tips on this video. Just watch till the end, as I also give details of how to make the best natural and fastest herbal remedy for complete cure of CRD in your poultry beds. What's up, my people? Welcome to Life of a Farmer, Love. You can also follow me on my Facebook page at Life of a Farmer, Love, for regular updates. I remain your anchor, Ishokri Ovokeronye. You can call me Ovorons. I appreciate all my old and new subscribers and viewers that are yet to subscribe. Please kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. You can give this video a like, comment and share for others to benefit. Without wasting your time, let's dive into the main cocoa. What you actually call cough or sneezing in your beds is actually referred to as chronic respiratory disease, CRD for short. This disease is as stubborn and difficult to treat completely, just like coccidiosis. The causative organism is Mycoplasma gallisepticum, and it affects both broilers, layers and other birds. The second secret tip I want to share with you is that after you have done the first tip and there is still reoccurrence of CRD among your birds, is to change your feed. This was my practical experience on the farm, which I got to know coincidentally. While I was using a particular feed for my broilers, I noticed that I always spend huge money on CRD before I started finding alternative through the use of herbs, which I will show you shortly. And there was a time the particular feed I was using wasn't available when I got my new day-old chicks. But because I have to feed these chicks, I opted for another brand. Usually by 4 to 5 weeks, I will notice CRD symptoms when using the old feed. But before sales of 6 to 7 weeks after using this new feed, there was no sign of CRD among the birds. It was my farm attendant that even drew my attention to it that, "Oga, we not treat cough for this bird though." That was when I got to pay more attention to their feed. Outside hatchery source and feed, another likely cause of CRD is stress, and this could be as a result of dust, cold, viral infection such as Newcastle disease could also lead to CRD. And heat stress is one other major causes of CRD in poultry beds. I have series of videos about how to identify, manage and control heat stress in both layers and broilers, and also an herbal remedy for effective control of heat stress in poultry with just 3 ingredients from your kitchen. You can use the link above, and I will also drop the link at the bottom of the description box. Do well to watch them after watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for others to benefit. Thanks. It is very important to be sure that your birds are suffering from CRD because most poultry diseases have similar symptoms, so you don't have to end up treating the wrong diseases, making your birds not to get the needed cure. For this reason, here are different symptoms of CRD in poultry. 1. When you notice watery discharge from the nostril and eyes of your birds, that is a pointer to CRD. The discharge could also be forming in the eyes. 2. If you notice birds wheezing or snoring when breathing, or a sudden sharp sound that is very short. The third sign is reduction in weight and reduction in feed consumption. 4th, if you notice swelling in the eyes of the bird, this is also a possible sign of CRD. The 5th sign is lethargy. The birds will remain in one spot, unable to move, very lazy, such that you will have to touch, push or check them before they move. The 6th sign is that there is decrease in egg production in laying birds. Because it affects the respiratory tract, it can lead to lameness, loss of appetite, stunted growth and even greenish droppings. The third secret tip I want to share with you is how you can be very sure that your birds are suffering from CRD. It's very simple. All you just need to do is visit them at night. During this time, you will hear the sound very clear, and if you are very observant, you will be able to pick out the particular ones that have severe symptoms. There is also a fourth secret tip for you. Do not skip, please. I will unveil it soon. The best and the most important way to keep your birds free from CRD and possibly other poultry disease is to practice the basic rules of biosecurity. You can use the link above and also at the bottom of the description box to watch it. The fourth secret tip I have for you, and also a preventive measure, is to use iodine in your bird's drinking water at least once or twice in a week. This is a very potent antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and a very good disinfectant for your poultry beds. You can use the link by the end of this video to watch how to use it. Practicing all in, all out will help to reduce the bacterial load on the farm. To get this herbal mixture, you will need the following ingredients: 10 to 15 grams or 3 to 5 raw ginger, 10 to 15 grams or half bulb of garlic, 10 to 15 grams of pepper or 2 to 3 teaspoons of grounded pepper, 10 to 15 grams of scent leaf or 3 to 5 handful of scent leaves, 5 tablespoons of honey or 10 to 15 ml of molasses, and 500 to 700 ml of water. Wash all ingredients and blend to get a smooth paste using the 500 to 700 ml of water. Once this is done, it is ready to use. You can administer at a rate of 10 ml to 1 liter of water for curative for 3 days. Take a break for 1 day by giving plain water. Then repeat for another 2 to 3 days. This is for curative. In other words, you can just administer straight for 5 days. In cases of prevention, you can use 15 to 20 ml to 1 liter of water for 2 to 3 days in a week for the first time. Thereafter, use once in every week. This mixture can stay up to 2 to 3 weeks. However, keeping it in the refrigerator will preserve it longer. Some farmers are of the opinion that these herbal remedies don't work for their birds. To find out why this is not working for your birds, you can use the end screen showing now to watch my video on reasons why organic or herbal medicine are not working for your poultry birds. Please subscribe and turn on the bell icon for prompt updates whenever I upload a new video. Like, comment and share for others to benefit. Thanks and God bless. See you in my next video. Peace out.